Today we are going to make another delicious, very famous date recipe. That is date chutney. Here you can see the ingredients we need for this recipe. First of all, we need to soak these dates in hot water. This way it is very easy to remove the skin of these dates. Meanwhile, we can clean and chop ginger and garlic. Now let's get our soaked dates and remove the skin, seed and the part that connects to the stem. If your dates are very fresh and soft, you don't need to soak them in hot water like this and remove the skin. You can just remove the seeds and the stem part. Now we need to blend chopped ginger garlic, salt, chili powder, sugar and around 3 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar and make it like a paste. You can adjust the sugar quantity based on the sweetness of your dates. Then we need to blend our dates. Let's add a little bit of vinegar to make it easy to blend. If you would like to have little date pieces in your chutney, don't blend them. Instead, just press them all a bit with a spoon. Now we need to heat rest of the vinegar in a pan. When vinegar is heated, add the ginger garlic paste and stir in medium heat. When the mixture is boiling, we can check whether salt is enough for our taste. If it is not enough, you can put more. Finally add dates and mix around 40 seconds. When dates are well combined with the mixture, we can turn off the flame. When the chutney is completely cooled down, we can store them in sterilized bottles. If we store this chutney in the fridge, we can use it around 1 to 1.5 months. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you soon with another delicious one.